A very lovely and charming morning to my lovely Petines. How are you, my children? I hope you all are happy and having fun. Also, you are taking good care of your health? Very good. Children, now you are over with your exams. I hope you have done your EV1 exams wonderfully well. Yes, my children are very intelligent. I know they have done exams wonderfully. Now, bete, let's come back to our studies. Now, we will start our EV2 syllabus. And our first chapter is chapter 8, Games We Play. Today, we are going to read chapter 8, Games We Play. Yes, children, what is a game? Game क्या होता है? The activity you do to have fun, to relax and to enjoy yourself. So that activity is called a game. Bete, if there is no games period and we do not play games, can you study all the day? No. Now your exams are over, you have studied a lot. But what you want to do now? You want to enjoy, you want to play different games. है ना? So, bete, games are very important. Games teach us rules and they help us to face challenges in life. It is also used as education tool. Games भी हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाते हैं. गेम्स हमें टीम स्पिरिट सिखाते हैं. आपस में टीम में कैसे मिलजुल कर खेलते हैं. Games improve our personality and it also improves our health. If we play games, we become fit and healthy. बेटा, games are good exercise. Games में आपकी body की बहुत अच्छी exercise हो जाती है. Okay, so there are many games you play, है ना? Some games we play inside the house and some games we play outside the house. The games that we play inside the house are called indoor games. But we cannot play all the time in sun, in rain or outside every time. Sometimes we have to play inside. And the games we play inside are Ludo, Carom, chess, etc. The games that we play are in open air, in open ground, playgrounds, that are called outdoor games like football, cricket, hockey, badminton. These are outdoor games. Bete, there are some other activities also like gardening, reading books, watching TV. These activities also help us to have fun, to relax and to enjoy. So these activities are called recreational activities. So all these things we study in this chapter. For continuing, I will show one video to you. See the video and see how games are important for us. Okay, children?
Welcome, children. I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves. Children, in this video, we will study Lesson 8, Games We Play. So, let's begin. Game. G-A-M-E. Game. Children, do you know what is a game? A game is a form of play or sport with rules and challenges. So children, whenever you play game, there are certain rules which you have to follow, and you also challenge to the other person or the other team while playing games, isn't it? Many games help us to stay fit and healthy. So games are very important in our lives. We stay fit and healthy by playing different types of games. Types of games. Yes, children, there are two types of games. First, indoor games, and the second one is outdoor games. Now we will study one by one about these games. Indoor games. Games that we play inside. What you have to remember? You have to remember this word, inside. So, games that we play inside our homes in order to keep ourselves busy in free time are called indoor games. So, children, whenever you have free time or whenever you get bored, you play these games. So, indoor games are played whenever we have free time, and these games are full of fun and enjoyment. Now, let's see some examples of indoor games. Popular indoor games. Can you identify which game is this? Yes, it is Ludo, Ludo. It is one of the most popular indoor games which we play. Now, in this picture, you can see another indoor game. Can you guess? Yes, it is Carrom, Carrom. And now this is one of the most interesting indoor games. Yes, it is chess. So, you need lots of intelligence for playing this game. So, these are three popular indoor games which we play at our homes whenever we have free time. Outdoor games. Now, let's see what are outdoor games. Games that we play in the open air. What you have to remember? You have to remember the word open. So, games that we play in the open air are called outdoor games. So, children, these games are played in the open field where you get fresh air, and in the open area, these games are played. Popular outdoor games. Now let's see some examples of outdoor games which are Indian games, means which are introduced by our country India. Do you see this picture? Can you guess which game they are playing? Yes, it is Kabaddi or Hadudu. So, this is one of the most popular Indian outdoor game which is played by us. Now, let's see some other game. See this child, he is holding a stick in his hand and he's playing a game. Can you guess which game is this? Yes, it is Gulli Danda. It is also one of the popular games of India. So children, these two games are introduced by our country only. Popular outdoor games, Western games. Now we will see some examples of outdoor games which are introduced by Western countries, means which are introduced by other countries, not our country. Yes, this is football. Football is a game which is introduced in our country by foreign countries. Then, can you see this picture? A basket is there and players are catching balls. Can you guess? Yes, it is basketball. It is one of the most famous outdoor games in India. It is played by most of the people who are sport lovers. Now let's see. Yes, You must have played this game or you must have watched. Yes, this is cricket. It was introduced by Britishers in our country. And now hockey. Yes, this game is hockey. Can you see these wooden sticks? These are hockey. These are called hockey. And hockey is the national game of India. Do remember, children, hockey is the national game of India. Importance of outdoor games. Now, let's study what are the importance of outdoor games. Why should we play outdoor games? Can you tell me? Let's find out. We inhale fresh air and feel refreshed. Whenever we play games in the open area or in the open field, we get fresh air and we feel relaxed, we feel refreshed. Our body is also exercise, so playing outdoor game is a good source of exercise. So our body get exercise by playing outdoor games. You jump, you run. So in this way, your body get exercise. Help in developing our personality and team spirit. So by playing outdoor games, you play with your friends. So this develops your personality and you learn team spirit. You play cricket in a team now. You cannot play cricket alone or football alone. So this helps in developing team spirit. We learn unity and discipline. We get united while playing a game. When you are a team, you have to be united with your friends. आपको एक साथ खेलना होता है ना, and you have to be disciplined because you have to follow the rules of the game. So these are the importance of outdoor games. Other recreational activities. Now let's see some other activities through which we have fun and we enjoy our free time. Listening to music. Most of us like to listen music. Watching TV. You must be watching cartoons on TV, but you should not watch for long period of time. Okay. Reading books. Yes, we read interesting books or comic books in free time. Gardening. It is a good source of recreational activity. We can do gardening in order to utilize our free time. Writing stories or poems. You can write stories in your free time. So children, these are the activities which you do in your free time or whenever you get bored.
Yes, beta. Now you have seen the video now. What are different types of games, how they are important, and what are different recreational activities. Now beta, today you will revise. You will read the chapter. Okay? You will read page number 50. Take care children. Bye-bye.